So now let's go to OpenFOAM and let's look at the tutorials. So you can copy this entire tutorial folder to your home for this to be available, or for now let's just copy one of the tutorials. So if you go inside Pits Daily, you can see this. So this you can run by just running blockMesh first and then simpleFoam. So in order to perform a post processing in ParaView, you have to create a file with the extension .foam, and for now I'm moving this to the download folder because this is installed in Windows, not in WSL, and in order to view this you have to have this folder in the Windows file system. So open this ParaView and then find that folder, and inside that folder you will find a.foam. Click on apply and you will be able to see the pressure contour as well as the velocity contour.